Hi, I'm Katie. Welcome to Pedalways, a place to learn the many ways of bikes. I've decided to create this platform in hopes that people who are new to biking, people who already love biking, and maybe people who are thinking about biking can come together, learn from one another, encourage each other, maybe share some tips and tricks about their journey throughout cycling and biking, and just in general be an educational platform for all who love bikes. Something I learned throughout my journey through biking, which included road biking, triathlon biking, and mountain biking recently, is that it's not always easy to find information. Sometimes you don't know things you need to know, you don't know what you're trying to learn, or you don't know what you're trying to ask, or you just want to learn something new. And finding a person to teach you that, or necessarily going to a place to learn that, isn't always easy. So I'm hoping that Pedalways will be a jumping off point for all of us to learn some new things about our bikes, whether it's as simple as changing a flat tire or more complicated in race strategies. This is the place to do it. So stay tuned for more videos on all things biking, and welcome to Pedalways.